Today we will do the assignment of chapter trigonometry, and here question number first. Evaluate each of the following. First part is cot 12 degree, cot 38 degree, cot 52 degree, cot 60 degree and cot 78 degree. Now in first part, here these angles are given to us, and out of these angles only 60 degree angle is known by us with the help of table, trigonometry table. We know that cot 60 degree. What is the value of cot 60 degree? What is the value of tangent 60? Tangent 60 is equal to root 3. So we know that cot is the reverse of tangent. So we can say that cot 60 degree is equal to 1 divided by root 3. So this is the value of cot 60 degree. Now other angles are also available. Which are the angles? Cot 12 degree, cot 38 degree, cot 52 degree and cot 78 degree. And what is the value of cot 60? Cot 60 is 1 divided by root 3. Now out of these angles, in this type of questions we have to check whether any two angles, that sum of two angles is equal to 90 or not. If we are taking here 12 degree, 12 plus 38 not equal to 90, 12 plus 22 also not equal to 90, but 12 plus 78 is equal to 90. When sum is equal to 90, then we can apply here complementary angle condition. It means we know that what is the complementary angle condition? This is cot theta is tangent of 90 minus theta. So how we can express? Only one you have to change, 12 or 78. So this cot 12 degree can be written as 90 minus 12 degree. Okay, and 90 minus 12 is equal to 78 degree. It means cot 12 degree is equal to tangent 78 degree. Substitute this value here, tangent 78 degree, and this is cot 78 degree. Now second term, 38 plus 52. Whether the sum is equal to 90 or not? Yes, 38 plus 52 is equal to 90. So again we can express 38 in terms of 52 or 52 in terms of 38. So it means we can write down here this term is cot of 38 degree, and this can be written as cot theta is equal to tangent of 90 minus theta. So cot 38 degree is equal to 90 minus 38 is equal to 52 degree. It means cot 38 value is equal to tangent 52. So substitute this value. Tangent cot 38 is tangent 52 degree into cot 52 degree and multiplied by 1 by root 3. Now we know that tangent theta into cot theta equal to 1. Why tangent theta into cot theta equal to 1? Because we know that cot theta is the reverse of tangent theta, and we can write down cot theta as 1 upon tangent theta. Tangent theta cancel out, and this value is equal to 1. So we can say that tangent 78 into cos 78 is equal to 1, and tangent 52 into cot 52 is also equal to 1, and multiplied by 1 by root 3. So what is the answer in this case? 1 divided by root 3 is the answer in this case. Okay. Now in second part, tangent 5 degree, tangent 25 degree, tangent 30 degree, 65 degree and 85 degree. Again out of these angle, only which value is known to us from the table? Tangent 30 degree is known to us. Now what is the value of tangent 30? Tangent 30 is 1 divided by root 3. Now in next, same procedure we have to apply in this part also. Check whether sum is equal to 90 or not. Yes, 5 plus 25 not equal to 90. 5 plus 65 again not equal to 90, but 5 and 85 is equal to 90. It means we can express tangent 5 degree. You can convert 5 in terms of 85 or 85 in terms of pi. There will be no any difference. Both values will be same. So tangent 5 degree, tangent theta. What is the result? Tangent theta is equal to cot of 90 minus theta. So this tangent 5 degree can be written as cot of 90 minus 5. So this is equal to cot 85 degree. So tangent 5 degree is equal to cot 85. Substitute this value, cot 85 degree, and next is tangent 85 degree. Now next one is tangent 25 and tangent 65. 25 plus 65 is equal to 90. Yes, it means we can convert tangent 25 can be written as cot of 90 minus 25, and 90 minus 25 is 65. So tangent 25 can be written as cot of 65 degree. Substitute this value here. Tangent 25 degree equal to cot of 65 degree and tangent 65 degree. But these terms are multiplied by tangent 30 degree. And what is the value of tangent 30? 1 divided by root 3. Now cot theta into tangent theta. We know that what is the result? Cot theta into tangent theta equal to 1. So with the help of this result, we can say that this value is 1 multiplied by 1 and 1 by root 3. So what is the answer in this case? 1 divided by root 3 is the answer of this second part also.